Ever noticed? Even when you don't want to, you still check your phone after that ting sound? What if I told you? It's not your fault. Your brain is being trained. Every time you hear a notification, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine. But here's the twist. Dopamine isn't about pleasure. It's about anticipation. Your brain starts thinking, maybe this is something important. Maybe this is exciting. And that maybe pulls you in. Notifications work like a slot machine. Sometimes it's boring. Sometimes it's exciting. And because it's unpredictable, your brain keeps checking again and again. Even worse, your brain reacts before you think. In just milliseconds, your attention is already captured. You didn't choose to check your phone. Your brain already decided. And when you don't check, you feel restless. That's because your brain hates unfinished things. That small notification becomes a mental loop you need to close. So next time your phone goes ting, just remember, it's not just a sound. It's a trigger designed to control your attention. Follow for more mind-blowing psychology facts.